How to log out of Gmail account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you log out of your Gmail account on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Gmail app on your iPhone. After you open Gmail app, from here at the top right, simply tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, you'll have to tap on manage account on this device. After you tap on that, you'll be able to see all of your accounts that are logged in on your Gmail. Simply from here, you can as usual remove it or you can manually turn it off. Simply to turn off, tap on the turn off icon at the right hand section. After you tap on that, you'll be able to turn off that. And from here, you can as usual manually turn it on. Simply tap on your profile icon again. From your tap on manage account on this device, and from here as usual you can turn it on. If you want to remove or log out, simply tap on the option remove from this device. After you tap on that, simply tap on remove and confirm with your password. After you tap on that, you'll be able to log out or remove of your Gmail account on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.